Hey guys, it's me, Maddie. Today we're doing a home vlog. I'm going to be making spaghetti by myself for the first time. My dad's behind the camera. Welcome to Roads Less Traveled. Let's get into it. For the ingredients, we have a pound of spaghetti noodles, 2 pounds of ground beef, 2 jars of Prego sauce, mine's garlic, Italian seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then for my favorite, we have ciabatta rolls, and they're the cheesy ones, so they're really good. Started, we have a pot to boil our noodles, a skillet for our meat and sauce, and a cookie sheet for my favorite ciabatta rolls. And of course, we need the lids to cover both pans. With our meat, I have turned the burner to a medium high, and I'm gonna grab my meat and just kind of put it in the pan gently. And then I'm gonna grab my favorite kitchen tool and start just trying to get the meat leveled out. It's very thick. To spice things up, I'm going to add a few seasonings. So first, I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. I'm honestly just going to just sprinkle over the top, not too much, not too little. And that's good. And now we're going to do some Italian seasoning powder. No? Yeah? Alright. And this is one of my favorites to add because I feel like it really spices things up. And it's honestly just a really good seasoning to put in literally anything. And now I'm going to do some onion powder, basic necessity for spaghetti. Again, don't put too much, don't put too little. And I believe that should be good. Added, I'm going to keep stirring it up with my favorite tool until it's cooked to a pretty good brown. Oh my gosh, guys, it is smelling so good. I'm literally gonna eat this up. To help me drain the meat, so it's back into the pan, and now we're going to add 2 jars of my favorite spaghetti sauce. Give it a nice little pat to get all of that out. Now to the second jar. On low, mix it all up, and then put the lid on. So I'm gonna grab this spoon and just mix everything up with the tomato sauce. It is a lot of tomato sauce, but it's my favorite, so it's worth it. My burner's on a medium heat, everything's mixed in, and now I'm just going to put my lid on the sauce. So it might be a little loud, but I just wanted to tell y'all a little bit about what we're gonna do on the channel. We live in Central Florida. We love going to theme parks, and we're gonna vlog travel videos, home videos. Just stay tuned. Guys, the sunset is so pretty, but the camera probably won't do it injustice, but come on, let's go. So the AC's on, it might be a little loud, but while we're out here, I just wanted to tell you a little bit of things that you can expect from us on this channel. We live in Central Florida and we love theme parks. We're going to be filming home videos, travel videos, theme park videos, food videos, and everything cooking. Just stay tuned to find out. It was absolutely gorgeous, but back to the kitchen and back to my spaghetti. The sauce has been cooking for around 30 minutes, and now it's time to start on our noodles. So before the water starts to boil, I like to add a little bit of salt and oil. And then once the water starts to boil, I'll add in my noodles. Just a little bit of salt, and then the tiny, I can't open it. Dad, I need your help. I can't open the oil, you guys. I literally can't open the oil. Thanks so much, guys. You literally just add a splash of whatever this is, canola oil. Just add. Woo! There we go. And then now we wait for the water to start boiling. And got the oven preheated. Let's go start on our bread. So we have my favorite ciabatta rolls. We got our cookie sheet with our parchment paper on and our oven preheated to 425. So these are the extra cheesy ones. So they're my favorite. I love cheese. So let's get them out and start placing them on the parchment paper. And just kind of lay them out. Have a nice, do I do both of them? And then I'm going to try and open this one with my slimy hands. It's okay. But yeah. Alright, now I'm putting noodles in. There. I'm going to put the ciabatta rolls in. Don't forget, that's hot. So we're going to just pull our ciabatta bread in the oven. Yep, that's coming off. We're just going to slide it in there. Grab napkins and call it a day. Our sauce has been cooking away. Our noodles are very close and the bread needs about 10 more minutes. So we're almost done. Everything's wrapping up. We have the burners off. We have about 2 minutes left on our bread. I'm going to drain our noodles and then I'm going to plate everything. The noodles are done. The sauce looks perfect. The bread is looks so good. And we got the Parmesan cheese. And it's a nice paper plate. It's old fashioned, but it'll do it for us. Let's start plating. Okay, so hey, noodles. Hey. I need some help. I can't do this. Wait, I think I got it, you guys. There we go. That does it. I'm gonna grab. So now, this is the final product. It looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna kind of mix my noodles and try it. Okay, so let's take the first bite. Delicious, it's so good. I'm gonna try the bread, but I always like to dip my bread in sauce. My favorite, even better. It's so good. So much for watching and joining us today. Stay tuned for the next video and let's see where the road takes us next. Bye guys.